Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Motivational Entrepreneur. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and to like and share. Today's video is going to be about NFTs and how they are a successful method of investing. If you are a beginner to this concept, do not worry. We will explain everything you need to know about this topic, so keep watching. What is NFT? So to begin the video, we will explain to you what an NFT is, also known as the non-fungible token, and is defined as the unit of data which is stored on a digital ledger, which is also known as blockchain. This thus makes any digital asset to be unique, and it is something which cannot be interchanged. As many of you might be aware of many blockchain technology-based cryptocurrencies. These cryptocurrencies are Ethereum, Ripple, Engine Coin, Cardano, etc. These cryptocurrencies are an example of cryptocurrencies which have a similar platform and share a platform with the NFTs. Many NFTs are a part of the Ethereum network, as the network supports these technologies in a better way. NFTs are a technology that stores extra information which makes these tokens worth differently than the other tokens, which are ETH. NFTs are an asset which can be anything digital, which is art, music, and in-game items. These assets are usually bought and sold using the cryptocurrencies. The tokens were developed in the year 2014, and they gained much notoriety as they are a popular way to buy and sell artwork online. NFTs are limited in nature and have unique qualities, which makes it difficult to identify the codes it is working on. These tokens are there in the market to create scarcity on the digital platforms. These tokens are opposite to many other tokens, which are available online for trade, as many of the other digital platforms are infinite in supply, and supply raises the value of the given asset. This is because it is assumed to be high in demand. Many NFTs have been digital creations that exist in some form on any other platform. NFT is preferable by the artists and the potential buyer, as many of these potential buyers have the opportunity to buy an original item using the NFT. It provides an authentication to the potential buyer, and this also serves as an opportunity to give proof of the ownership. The collectors value digital rights, which is why NFTs are popular. Difference between NFT and cryptocurrency. The NFTs are built on the same principle as the cryptocurrencies are formulated, that is, the blockchain technology. The NFT uses a platform of one of the most popular cryptocurrencies formed by using blockchain technology, i.e., Ethereum. Cryptocurrencies are fungible, which means they can be traded or exchanged for one another and are equal in the value of the dollar. NFTs are different from cryptocurrencies as they are very difficult to exchange. Working of NFTs. As we mentioned earlier in our video, the NFTs use blockchain technology. This leads to the distributed public ledger that records transactions. As we mentioned, the NFTs share a platform with many cryptocurrencies, but one could get these on Ethereum platform. These tokens are created from digital objects, such as artwork. The artwork is tangible and intangible both. These tokens are the items which provide ownership rights and can have one owner at a time. This is thus easy to verify and store specific information. Buying of NFTs. If you are a beginner in the blockchain world or are new to investments in NFTs, this section of the video will help you understand how you could buy the NFTs. 1. One will need a digital wallet, which is compatible with the storage of NFTs and cryptocurrencies. Then one must buy a few cryptocurrencies, like Ether. The purchase of the cryptocurrency depends on the acceptance of the cryptocurrency, that is, which cryptocurrency the provider accepts. Platforms like Coinbase, Kraken, eToro accept digital payments from a credit card as well. 2. Look at the fees that the platforms offer. This is because cryptocurrencies can be expensive just because of the transaction fee. 3. There are a few NFT trading platforms such as Rarible and Foundation. These platforms allow both artists and creators to issue and sell NFTs. These platforms also enable the holders to look into rules like the transaction fees and community fees. Platforms like Foundation charge high fees for the holders, which leads to the capitalization market. Now we will explain to you whether or not you should buy the NFTs. It does not depend on the fact that you can afford the token. It also depends on many other factors. NFTs are a new technology and are usable for a few formats that are the artwork. Thus, they are a risky buy and have an uncertain future. It is worth investing small amounts rather than large amounts. If one wants to take the risk of buying the NFTs, one should. Otherwise, one should not. Conclusion: NFT, or the non-fungible tokens, are known to function on the blockchain technology like most of the cryptocurrencies. These tokens are available on platforms which support blockchain and similar to the platforms like the trading platform for Ethereum. As these tokens are new in the market, they may prove to be more risky than the already existing cryptocurrencies and share market. These tokens are not widely accepted for trades like the cryptocurrencies. These are used to provide full ownership to the owner of the artwork. The cryptocurrencies are largely traded and are subject to more frequent exchange. There is a transfer of ownership in the NFTs, and they are also used to store information. So that is all for this video. We hope this information was informative for you and would help you understand the NFTs. As this token is new, we hope that this video cleared your doubts about the token. See you guys in the next video. Like and share this to stay motivated. If you want to see more about the financial world, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Till then, keep safe and healthy.